Hello everyone, my name is Luis Carrillo. I am the lead QA for Team EFWE Summer 2019 Senior Project. Our product owner is Dr. Mr. Sajjadi. This is EFRT 1625 Create Start Terminal. So in this video, I'll give you guys a step-by-step guide of Start Terminal. So this is the code for Start Terminal. These are the parameters that are going to be passed in order to start terminal to work. We're gonna have, so what start terminal will do is going to read from this ini path, which is basically a data folder and specific terminal's instance ID, and then the origin.txt. This origin.txt will be present in every single terminal. And inside this origin.txt is the path to the terminal 64 executable to start the new terminal. Here we're going to be assigning all the parameters that were passed, we're going to be assigning them. And this is in case these two lines of code are optional. This is in case that the expert parameters are sent as parameters or script parameters are sent. But like I said, they're optional. In case that they are sent, they're going to be stored in a specific path inside an expert parameter if it's parameters for the expert, or script parameters if the parameter for script was sent. What this line will do is it will read from a file that's going to be a file called credentials. So it's basically this file that we see here, for credentials. It's going to read it. This is the username and a password that is encrypted. Now, this line will call this class that we're going to see now. It will call a settings file. And settings file, what it will do is it's going to go to that EFRT. It's going to read the file. It's going to decrypt it. It's going to decrypt it's going to read the file. It's going to get the username, and it's going to decrypt the password. Then it's going to encrypt it with an encryption algorithm that can be used for MQ5, and it's going to be sent to another file, which is going to be located here in data folder terminal instance, and then MQ5 files settings.txt. Okay, so let me show you. Right now we have F4 credentials here. Inside here we have the login ID and the password encrypted. Then inside the terminal, which is going to be this one, we're going to have MQ5 files. In here we don't have nothing right now, but after we run search terminal, we're going to have a settings.txt file. And we're going to have also a copy of a common.ini file that you will see next. So after this, we're going to create a copy of a common.ini file. Common.ini file is basically the custom configuration file that we're going to use to start the terminal. Inside this file, we're going to have all the parameters that were passed to us. This is going to be a copy of the common.ini file that's going to be stored in MQ5 files. This is going to be the actual common.ini file, the one that is going to be used to start the terminal. Is going to be in the data folder path terminal instance and /config. We're going to create the common.ini file with all the parameters, and then we're going to run this command to start the terminal from the command line. So let's see it working out. Start the terminal, and we start the program, and we're going to call the terminal here. So we're going to pass the data folder, terminal instance, server name, username, password encrypted, and hit send. And we will start the terminal. the terminal started here. If we go here, we can see we set this because if it's running, we're gonna return false. Now, in case that we close terminal, we're gonna get a process exit code 0 and false again. We can also do, if we add a script name, and we're gonna add the script validate login, what this will do is it's gonna start the terminal and then it's gonna close it automatically, and it's going to return 1. Let's see if this works. We call it terminal starts, closes, and we get a return code of 1 and true. Now let's test if all we did worked. So basically, like I said, we were going to be reading the EFRT credentials. We're going to have this password. The password will be decrypted and encrypted again, but with another encryption algorithm. And it was going to be stored along with this username inside our terminal on MQ5 files inside these settings that we didn't have before. And now we have the login, and then we have our password with the new encryption algorithm. Here we have a copy of the common.ini file. Here you can see all the parameters that were passed. We're going to have them here, as well as a common.ini file, the original common.ini file here in config. Here we have all the parameters too. Okay, so that's it. This is StartTerminal.